So we are going to do some practice with route attributes, just so you know how to do them. And we're going to modify the artist controller. And this is going to be an action route attribute. We're going to put it above our index action method. So it's the bracket route, and then in parentheses and double quotes, whoops. Let me add that back in there. Yeah, not a good typing day here. There we go. We're going to do artists, which they will have to hard code in, list. And then we will pick up the action. And then we're going to have sort, enter, 1 or 2. And that will be hard coded. And then the variable will be artist sort, and it's nullable, which means it's not required. So that's our first one. And we'll do one more. Let's save this. And this is going to be over in the home controller. So in the home controller, we're going to do a controlling or a controller routing attribute. So this is going to go above where the controller, the home controller is derived from the controller class. So the route is music store / action. It's going to pick up whatever action method, and we'll make the ID optional here. All right. So basically what this does is they have to key in the word music store / and then the action method. So let's save everything. We'll run a build, make sure we don't have any errors. And let's run it. Now, if we go into about, you will notice that it now displays music store and about. And if we go to contact, it now displays music store and contact, which is a little nicer than what it did before. Okay, so that little change that we made actually made it a little bit more user-friendly, which is one of the reasons for making the attribute change. Now let's go into artists. Okay, and here you can see is our URL. And we've kind of put a direction in the URL to let them know what to do for sorting. So if it's basically telling them to do a 1 or a 2. Okay, and so you could argue whether this is more user-friendly or not, but at least they can tell from looking at the URL that this is something that we can sort, and they can tell what the values are to sort.